The integumentary system is consistent between the skin, which is the whole thing, and also the hair, this is the hair, and exocrine glands, which is this, and this will producing the sweat. It's the skin. The skin is your protective coat. It's shielding your body from bacteria and from weather and infection, and help to regulate your body temperature by the sweat glands. It's also your largest sense of receptor responding to touch, pressure, heat, and cold. The skin has 3 layers. The first one is the epidermis. The second one is the dermis, and the last one is the subcutaneous layer. The hair consists between 3 layers: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. The cuticle scale is the outermost layer of the hair and envelopes the inner layers. It is tough, dense, and structured to protect the hair. The cuticle layer is colorless, therefore permits to the light and shine through. The cuticle layer is important to shine and elasticity of the hair. The second layer is the cortex. The cortex is the thickest of the 3 layers and make up to 80 to 90% of the hair diameters. Partner fibrous cells are bundled together. The cortex also contains the color pigment melanin, which gives the hair natural color. Third is the medulla, which is the darker part here. The medulla is the center of the hair, and its diameter varies according to the thickness of the hair. This is the nail. The nail is contained between 5 important parts, which is the nail top, the nail plate, the nail root, and nail control cuticle, and the lunar.
And now we are going to talk about their functions. The skin protects our body from injury and UV radiation, defends against disease, helps regulate body temperature, and prevents the body from drying out. The first one is UV protection. The lower layers of the epidermis contain cells produce the pigment and melanin. Melanin absorbs ultraviolet radiation, which can damage DNA and cause skin cancer. When the skin is exposed to UV rays, skin cells produce more melanin. This process is called tanning. Disease prevention is the second one. The top layer of skin forms a tight barrier that keeps bacteria out and protects the body from disease. Damage through layer areas of skin allow bacteria to enter the body freely. The third one is the temperature regulation. A network of blood vessels in the dermis brings nutrients to the livings of the cells of the skin and helps regulate body temperature. Sweat glands in the dermis also helps remove excess body heat through the evaporation of sweat. Most sweat is about 99% of water and 1% dissolved acids and salts. The last one is waterproofing. Keratin is a hard protein found in skin, hair, and nails. It makes skin tough and waterproof. Glands in the dermis release sebum, and an only secretion that lubricates the skin. Without the protection of keratin and sebum, our bodies would lose wear through evaporation or absorb water from the environment.
The integumentary system maintains homeostasis in several ways. It protects the body from the outside world. The skin acts as a barrier that prevents pathogens from entering the skin. The skin has to regulate body temperature. Temperature sensors located across the skin pass information about the surrounding environment to the hypothalamus. If the body is too hot, the hypothalamus signals the sweat glands to release food. When it is too cold, the glands flow and the body loses less food. It triggers an inflammatory response. When someone is cut or injured, the integumentary system triggers an inflammatory response that promotes healing. It diverts its blood supply when needed. Around 5% of the body blood supply is in the skin. If other organs need blood, it redirects its reservoirs in the skin. The skin plays a role in vitamin and mineral synthesis. For example, when sunlight hits the skin, it helps to produce vitamin D. Acne. Acne results when pores become clogged and infected with bacteria. These bacteria produce pus, which cause use pimples. Skin cancer. The most common types of skin cancers are carcinomas, which develop in epidermal cells that do not produce melanin. Carcinomas can be treated if they are detected early. Cancer that increase in pigment producing epidermal cells are called melanomas. This type of cancer tends to grow very quickly and spread to other parts of the body. Fungal infection of the skin include athlete's foot in ringworm. Psoriasis is a hereditary skin disorder that causes red, scaly patches. These patches tend to appear during cold weather, when the skin is irritated or when the body immune system is